Hi, this is Chou. Social Media Marketing Business 233. This is my final project presentation. Digital marketing campaign to support fire victims in LA. Executive summary. Raise $1,000 to rebuild LA after the devastating fire. The goal is $1,000 allocated to clean up each home site. With campaign to leverage social media platforms to drive awareness, donations, and community support. Fundraiser objective, raise $100,000 to rebuild LA. Executive summary, raise $100,000 to rebuild LA after the devastating fire, with $1,000 allocated to clean up each home site. The campaign will leverage social media platforms to drive awareness, donations, and community support. Fundraiser objective, raise $100,000 to rebuild LA. To build community support, engage local residents, businesses, and volunteers to actively contribute to the rebuilding process. Drive awareness, highlight the need for immediate action, and the direct impact of donations on cleanup efforts. Audiences, local residents and businesses, people directly impacted by the fire, and those in the surrounding areas who want to help. Community-minded individuals, donors who are passionate about disaster relief and rebuilding efforts. Philanthropists and influencers, individuals with large social media followings who can amplify the message. Currently, social media presence. Instagram, visual storytelling potential for the damage recovery efforts. Facebook, community engagement and event management tools for donations and events. TikTok, short form video to convey the urgency and human stories behind the fire's impact. LinkedIn, a platform for connecting with businesses and professionals interested in supporting the cause. Pinterest, share tips for rebuilding and decor inspiration for fire victims always and ways to help. Platform-specific strategy for LinkedIn. Objective, engage professionals and businesses to encourage donations and partnerships. Strategy, share updates about the project, partner with organizations, and promote corporate matching programs for donations. Why? LinkedIn is ideal for reaching professionals and companies looking to contribute to a meaningful cause. Platform-specific strategy, Instagram. Objective, visually highlight the destruction caused by the fires and the immediate need for funds to clean up. Strategy, post before and after photos of affected areas, share stories from victims, and use Instagram stories and reels to show progress in the cleanup. Feature donation links and community events. Why? Instagram's highly visual platform can convey emotion, urgency, while stories and hashtags can spread awareness. Platform-specific strategy for TikTok. The objective is to create viral content to raise awareness and drive donations. The strategy is to share emotional, fast-paced videos of fire victims, cleanup progress, and inspiring stories. Use trending music to engage a younger audience. Create challenges or call to action videos encouraging users to donate or share. TikTok's young, engaged audience makes it an excellent platform to raise awareness, inspire action through emotion, and shareable content.